Hi everybody. Because we didn't have class today and because I promised a video last week, sorry I didn't post that, I wanted to record a little video for you to go over your writing assignment. So the writing prompt or the topics are, do you think fast food has improved people's lives? Explain why, give at least 3 reasons, or do you think home cooked meals are better for people than fast food? Give at least 3 reasons. So, also, I have asked you to have a pie paragraph, to write a pie paragraph. So, remember that a pie paragraph contains a point. That is the main idea of the whole paragraph. Information supports your point with examples, and the explanation explains how the information proves your point, or it gives more in-depth information. Okay, so you need to write one pie paragraph with a minimum of 125 words. You need 3 separate reasons to support your point and an explanation. Also, you must use words like first, second, in addition, etc. Use clear punctuation and punctuation with clear indentation at the start of your paragraph, and correct subject-verb agreement with proper verb tense. So I'm going to show you an example of an outline that I did, pretending that I'm a student writing this paper. You do not have to turn in the outline, but I suggest doing one before you actually write your paper if you haven't begun yet. Also, I'm going to extend the deadline. Okay, so I chose this topic. Do you think fast food has improved people's lives? Explain why or why not. Give at least 3 reasons. Okay, so I have a point sentence. I have information here, information here, information here. So these are my 3 reasons. Then I give an explanation for each reason. So the explanations are in blue. I also have, and you should have, 1 or more concluding sentences. We'll just put that in gray. Okay. So before, when I've taught pie, I've taught it as you have to give the point, the information, and the explanation. So we're going to do this here in one paragraph. So my point sentence, the main idea of the whole paragraph is fast food hasn't improved people's lives. Okay? Hasn't. My information, or my first reason, is first, fast food doesn't provide people with the nutrients that they need. Then I give more of an in-depth explanation. So I explain how or why. So people become sluggish without nutrients, and lack of nutrients can also cause sickness. So I explain basically more about why we need nutrients, why that's bad. Second, fast food makes people gain weight. That's my second reason. Here's my explanation. People gain weight and don't have a good self-image. This lowers their quality of life. So do you see how my explanation goes back to, I'm basically saying it doesn't improve people's lives. In fact, it does the opposite. This lowers their quality of life. Okay, here's my third reason. In addition, When people eat fast food, they miss out on spending quality time with their family. Here's my explanation. They eat fast and don't enjoy conversation and let me say, don't slow down. Okay, here's my concluding sentence. In conclusion, let me highlight that like I did these other words. Fast food lowers people's quality of life. They don't get the nutrition they need, they gain weight, and they eat so fast that they don't enjoy their family's company. So now we basically have our paragraph. So let's put it all together. So what I will do actually is just copy and paste this. I think that would be the fastest. And then my paragraph, let's put it all together. So this is in order. Okay. Almost done. Okay, so let me just put this down here. And we don't want to highlight any of those words when we turn that in. Also, whenever you turn in a paper, whether it's the first, second, or third draft, you should always double space, and we need to indent. I did that by hitting the tab key. Now let's check the word count. Let's see. 112 words. How many did I ask for? 125. So we need to expand a little bit. So how I would expand this is I would probably give more explanation. So fast food doesn't provide people with the nutrients that they need. People become more sluggish without nutrients, and lack of nutrients can also cause sickness. Let's see. I could also talk maybe about, let's see, what else does lack of nutrients cause? So I would think about and add some more information there. Okay, I'm not going to do that with you now because I wanted to keep this as a very short video. So go ahead and if you haven't yet, get started on your essay. Use the PI paragraph method. Minimum of 125 words. Check those requirements and let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to reading what you have to say.